I usually go to work by bus.
Sometimes I walk to work.
I often take the train to the city center.
I usually drive to work in the morning.
Sometimes I take a taxi when I'm late.
I like walking when the weather is nice.
I often use public transport.
The bus stop is near my house.
The train station is not far from here.
I usually leave home at 8.
It takes about 20 minutes to get to work.
Sometimes traffic is very heavy.
I prefer walking short distances.
I don't like driving in busy traffic.
Public transport is usually convenient.
At the weekend, I sometimes travel to another city.
I like visiting new places by train.
Sometimes I rent a bike in the city.
Walking is good for health.
I try to avoid rush hour.
I usually check the timetable online.
Sometimes the bus is late.
The train is usually on time.
I like comfortable journeys.
Traveling can be relaxing.
How do you usually get to work?
Do you use public transport?
Do you drive to work?
How long does your journey take?
Do you like traveling by train?
How do you usually get to work?
I usually take the bus.
Do you ever walk to work?
Yes, sometimes when the weather is nice.
How long does it take to get to work?
About 20 minutes.
Do you drive to work?
No, I usually use public transport.
Is the bus stop near your house?
Yes, it's just around the corner.
Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, it's comfortable.
Do you often travel by bus?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you like walking in the city?
Yes, it's good exercise.
Is traffic busy in the morning?
Yes, especially during rush hour.
Do you prefer walking or driving?
I prefer walking.
Do you take taxis often?
Only when I'm in a hurry.
Do you travel at the weekend?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you visit other cities?
Yes, from time to time.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, very much.
Do you check the timetable online?
Yes, it's very convenient.
Is the train usually on time?
Yes, most of the time.
Do you like public transport?
Yes, it's practical.
Do you ever ride a bike?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you enjoy long journeys?
Sometimes.
Do you like exploring new places?
Yes, it's exciting.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.